What better way to break in a Hero 12? Oh shit. I can't believe I forgot to put the goddamn knee braces on. I was so excited to break in my Hero 12. We forgot to put knee braces on. That's not a good. Not a deal breaker, but I prefer to have them on with these guys pulling. Yes, we got the Hero 12 in. It took forever for several of the batteries to get up to 100%. It gets into the mid 90s, and then it kind of, I don't know if they're old batteries or you know what the deal is. More than likely they've been sitting on the shelf down at Gopro headquarters for a very long time, waiting to be sold. But in any case, I left them on until they did get 100%. Now, that's 3-4 hours, gentlemen. 5 hours. Okay, easy now, quit pulling. When we're out in the wilderness, I will charge them way less than that. And I'm using voice commands, you know, to control the GoPro now, so that's kind of cool. The GoPro 12, Hero 12 is, you know, maybe 33% bigger than the, and so are the batteries, than the Hero 7. It's significantly larger. Not a deal breaker. The video quality is extremely good. The dogs are doing better today. Easy now. Don't pull so much, guys. Easy. Hard to get that camera angle. I think that should do it. I have to wear my hydration pack to have a camera mount. Hey guy, hey, stop. Stop. You're getting a little bit too rambunctious. Quit pulling so much. Hey, stop. Okay, easy. Oh. 6 o'clock in the morning. I didn't go for a bike ride. I don't have my alarm set right now. I mean, you can't go for a bike ride every day. Maybe a couple times a week. I just got the new bike, so that's why I was doing it so much. Anyways, we're clearing out the garage a little bit in front of the Tesla. I want to be able to pull the Tesla all the way deep into the garage. I believe I can pack up the Tesla completely with the 2 mountain bikes, fuel cells, 2 generators. Watch out for that light. Calm down, guys. No, we're not gonna go that way. I didn't take my knee braces. They're in the garage. I got a pair upstairs, a pair in the garage. I just forgot to put them on. We got good shade here, so. And seeing as how I get so many views with dogs, I figure, okay, I'll put them on again. This is the first video shot with the new GoPro. 5 batteries, battery charger, Enduro batteries. and just, you know, learning the voice commands that you can use. There's only a handful of them that relate to me, you know what I'm saying? Like maybe 3. The recording stuff and highlight stuff, and that's it. It's kind of cool. Very easy now, guys. Easy, guys, easy. These guys wanted to go for a walk this morning, as did they want to go to the Starbucks last night. 2 nights in a row, Starbucks. They wanted to have a puppuccino. It's like the highlight of their days, guys. Oh, the GoPros, the Hero 12 versus the, I don't know, maybe it's because I'm more adept to them now, but the very, very much easier to set up and get rolling with it as compared to the other Hero 7. They made it simplistic, shall we say. But I've got it on the highest definition. Best picture, a 256 gigabyte memory card, allows you to record for about 8.5 hours. Then of course you do have your other cards as backups. Easy, easy now. Boy, that's gonna be that dude's living in his car over there. Won't take long. Someone's gonna call the cops on him in this neighborhood, my neighborhood, that is. I mean, but to be sleeping in a car in this intense heat, oh my God. I mean, even right now, it's probably 90 degrees right now, 6 o'clock in the morning. We've had an extremely hot last couple days here of June. Tied a record yesterday. I think it was 111 degrees. Yeah. Very hot day yesterday. But anyways, yeah, just want to break the old GoPro in, and I need to figure out some type of mount where you don't have to take your hydration pack, a backpack strap. How about a side sling strap? You can always wear your harness. It's going to be interesting. The mount for the Hero 12 is built in right into the bottom of the camera. Let me just see if it's heating up. A little bit. It's a new camera, so give it time. But I have the little towel around it right now, so I can make that wet if I want to, and I think I will. can't hurt, guys. Keep the camera cool. Invariably, that's what destroys the camera, probably in the end. Even my camera number 3 was, you know, the picture quality was starting to diminish. You can't tell too much doing it in the city, but if you get into a trail with a lot of detail, you're going to see a lot of blurriness. You can see it a little bit on these city trails, but if you get into a high detail area like a trail, you're going to get blurrish videos. So that's why I ended up buying the new one. Not only that, to get $150 off, is pretty good deal. And you rarely see that. Probably once a year with GoPro, what they have that sale. Either way, yeah, I'm a member of their Prime subscription. It was free. That's why I signed up. Plus, you get your accessories discounts on all the accessories, considerable discounts. Used to be 50%, but it's not quite that anymore. The only accessories I got were the batteries and the battery charger. The dogs are like, hey, wait a minute. That's it? Just, I told myself when I bring them for this walk, and we're not going to go far. I mean, you can't go very far. It's 90 degrees, guys. They're already dragging their tongues on the sidewalk. You can do a walk around the block about like that. These guys are going to expect this walk every day. Now, I can't do that, but when we did it today, they were showing some excitement. Oh, who's that? Yeah, I'm cleaning out the garage. I'll be able to load up the car completely. I'll be able to load up the car. Easy now. Easy, easy. Hey, girl. Now, because I rent cars on Turo and whatnot, you don't know when you can leave exactly, right? But I can have the car all set up to go 100%. Oh, he's gonna come in too. Socialize. But yeah, we'll be able to pull the Tesla all the way in. I'll be able to load the Tesla completely, park it in the garage, just leave it here. Everything will be ready to go except for the food, the refrigerated food and the dry goods. But everything else will be ready to rock. Car will be fully charged, and at any time at 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the morning, you can get on the highway and get up to Navajo Lake. Simple 2-nighter, you know, doing a little mountain bike riding up there, and then maybe Bryce Canyon, you know, go to Thunder Mountain possibly. So it's just a 2-nighter, maybe a 3-nighter, but more than likely just a 2-nighter. I'm not sure when. I can't go now, but I can probably. I won't go during the weekend. You want to go during the week, because during the weekend they have all kinds of fucking high school bike parades up there and whatnot. Per se, now and not parades, but. There seems to be quite a gathering during the weekend. But anyways, all right, guys. GoPro, stop recording.